Alright, what's up guys, how's it going? So I was just trying to see what ChatGPT can actually do for me. So then I figured out, like, okay, since ChatGPT launched the create image features on their platform, so I thought of, like, okay, why don't I use ChatGPT to see if it's actually possible for it to create a thumbnail for me. Then all of a sudden I just open my ChatGPT app, then I pull up my picture right here and select the create image feature on the ChatGPT, and then come up with my thumbnail idea, what I actually want ChatGPT to do for me. So you can see right here, I select on create me a perfect thumbnail for my YouTube video with the YouTube thumbnail standard size. The video topic is around creating a thumbnail using ChatGPT. So make my attached image, which is this image right here, on the right side, and put the necessary words on the left. Not too much words actually, then just to catch the audience attention, and maybe necessary emoji, and use a nice background to make it pop, right? So this is the prompt I give to it along with my picture or image. Then this is the result that I was able to get. Maybe not bad, maybe not too good, but then it all depends on the prompt you give to it, and that will determine the result you will actually get. So because I actually mentioned that my picture or my image should be on the right side, and then the word should be on the left, so probably that's why it actually make it just like this. Not bad, like I said. All I just have to do is just maybe to revamp my prompt, and then see if it will actually give me another nice thumbnails, right? So I'm going to select which thumbnail I'm going to be using for this video, right? So if you click on this one, then it's fine. If you click on the one I'm going to be generating in this video, then it's all good. So I'll be generating new thumbnail in this video. So all I just have to do is just click on the new chart, then I'm gonna paste in or click on create image right here. Then once I click on create image, I click on this plus sign to select my picture right there. Then I'm gonna select my picture right here, then click on upload. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is to put in my prompt right here. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is not to or just to revamp this prompt. So create a perfect thumbnail for my YouTube video with the YouTube thumbnail standard size. Then the video topic is around create a catchy create a catchy thumbnail using creating a catchy thumbnail using ChatGPT. So make my attached image no, so position my attached image on the perfect place, maybe, and put necessary words. I'm gonna edit this, put necessary words where needed, then not too much words, maybe. No, I'm gonna remove this. Oops, I lost that. Okay, fine, let me edit this just to catch the audience attention, and maybe necessary emojis, and use a nice background to make it pop. I'm gonna remove this nice background, or maybe if you have some inspiration thumbnails, you can also include it. if you have an inspiration thumbnails, like thumbnail ideas in your mind, or the one that you see that okay someone used in on their own video, you can also include it. But then I don't want to include any of that, so the next thing I'm gonna do is just to input, click on enter, and let's see what it's gonna generate for us. So on this particular position right here, it's gonna take some while before you get the result. As you can see, it's getting started, so it's gonna take some times right here while it's processing the image. So I'm gonna skip that to the right time. All right, so it actually took some time, but then here is the result. As you can see right here, you can see create a catchy thumbnail with ChatGPT. So this is the result that it comes up with. But then as you can see right here, the C cut off on this edge, and then the T as well. But then this is more like something you can actually do on Canva, Canva app, which is also a best tools to create a thumbnail. But I think this will keep on getting better, and if you have some thumbnail inspiration from someone else, you can include it while you are trying to like generate your thumbnail. But then this is not bad. I'm going to be using the one I generated the first time, and then this one. So it all depends on which one actually catch your attention for you to have clicked on this video. But to me, this is not actually bad like that. So for people that are finding it so difficult to come up with thumbnail for their videos, so I think this is going to help you out. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. And for those of you thinking maybe I use a pro ChatGPT or free one, so I'm using the free ChatGPT account, and this was generated for free. So all you just have to do is just click on download or share image right here, and then you'll be able to download it to your PC. So that is it. And if you have any question, like I said, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.